Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. What else can I talk about today other than the euro dollar? Because there's been quite a crazy ride on the euro dollar today. Everything started in here when the euro just started to drop and it never really stopped until here. So on this 30-minute chart, there is a very strong initiation activity of very strong sellers. Those sellers are currently dominating the euro, and the most important zone for those sellers is right here, this heavy volume zone where heavy volumes were accumulated. This is the place from where the strong sell started, from those heavy volumes, right? So that's why I'm saying that it's very important, because it's very likely that sellers were building up their short positions in here and then they manipulated the price downwards. Yeah, I know that there's fundamentals behind this move, but still price move is always caused and initiated by big trading institutions. Well, I shouldn't say always, but very often. All right, so as I was saying, this is a very important zone from which the strong sell-off started, and the beginning of that heavy volume zone is in here, the level which I marked at 1.0730, and it should work as a resistance because strong sellers were building up their short positions here, and afterwards they manipulated the price downwards from this level. So when there's a pullback to this level, and I'm not saying that this is going to happen soon, well, it could. Markets are very volatile, very crazy now, so this could happen overnight. I don't know. It could happen maybe in a week, maybe it won't happen at all. But if the price makes a pullback to this level, it is very likely that there'll be a reaction of the sellers from here. All right, so watch out for this level. It's a very strong level to trade from. And by the way, if you look at the weekly volume profile, it shows the volume distribution of this current week, and the heaviest volumes throughout this week were right here. So this is the most important zone of this current week, right? And as you can see, it is exactly at our level. All right, so those two things are why I think that this should work as a strong resistance. And when the price reaches this resistance, there should be a reaction. Now, this volume profile setup is called the volume accumulation setup. It's one of my favorite volume profile setups. And if you guys want to learn all about my trading setups and all about volume profile trading, then what I recommend is visiting my website, which is trader-dale.com. If you click this button, which says browse courses, then it will take you to a page where you can browse my courses. The first one is called the Elite Pack, and it focuses on the volume profile trading. The other one is called the Order Flow Pack, and it focuses on day trading with order flow. There are videos which you can watch. Those videos will show you everything that's included in those packs, so check them out. And if you have any questions, there is a quick chat window. We have excellent support, so if you have any questions, leave them here and you'll have your answer in no time. All right, so thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.